And we're back, fellow knife enthusiasts. Today we're going to be doing the review of the Bestech Muskie. I'm very excited to be doing this. I saw these at Blade Show and could not wait to get them. Let's start off with the green one. So put the black one away for now. But we'll see in a few minutes. Alright. We'll go over the specs. This knife is 8.5 inches from tip to hilt. It is a D2 satin finish blade. This one is two-tone with a cutout for the thumb pull. It is a stainless steel liner, skeletonized on the inside, cuts down on the weight. Has a G10 handle, which is smooth. Has several indentations for your fingers to rest, as you can see there. And there is also a little jimping on the bottom of the flipper. Has a stainless steel pocket clip, room for a lanyard, and I think I mentioned that it was a satin, sort of a stonewash finish for the blade. Has a G10 back spacer, a nice design here on the pivot cap. The pocket clip is reversible for those lefties out there. Tip up carry. Very smooth action. Of course, since I like knives that are at least 8 inches, most time 8.5, this one is right up my alley. Let's go ahead and show you how it cuts. As you can tell, it snaps right to attention. I like this knife a lot because it's a D2, which is normally sharp out the box, and the price point. It is only 52 bucks, and that's with free shipping. So anytime I can get a D2 knife for $50 that has that kind of action and that size, I am extremely excited. As you can see, it cuts very smoothly. And to my favorite part, we'll show you how it cuts here. As you can tell, cuts very smoothly and accurately if the person holding it cuts accurately. And then this one, of course, is going to be good at stabbing and slicing due to the trunk style blade. So you can tell that cuts very easily as I smack it down on my cardboard. Not on my cardboard, on my board there. Bring this one back out so we can show you the differences up close, if I can get them both in my hand without banging them together. I don't like that. There we go. Alright, so this is the Bestech Muskie. You can see there that the two-tone difference in the blade. The black one comes like that also. You can choose 6 different variations. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife and like our post. And if you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Don't want to miss our reviews with our, also we do 1-minute looks and do our weekly show. I think we have close to 1,700 videos listed now. So if you can't find a knife you like there, you probably can't find a knife that you like. On that note, Bestech Muskie, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.